Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to insert a page break in LibreOffice Writer. A page break is useful when you want to start a new page without pressing enter again and again. First, open your document in LibreOffice Writer. Now place your cursor where you want the new page to start. For example, we want the new page to start here. In this case, we will just press our cursor here and then go to the insert and then click page break. You will see a new page created. It's just there's a page break. Okay, now LibreOffice will instantly move the text after your cursor to the next page. You can also use keyboard shortcut. For example, let's say like you want to place another page break here. Put the cursor where you want to be and then press Ctrl and Enter, and you will see that there is another page break. So this is how you create page break. And if you want to delete it, just put your cursor to the beginning of the paragraph or the page, then press backspace and it will delete it. So this is how you create page break in LibreOffice Writer. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and also like the video. Thanks a lot.